Isn't it beautiful that a couple who love nature can be married here in amongst nature? There's no accident that each one of you are here today. You've all been invited to be part of this because you represent something of an impact or an influence that you've had on either Michael or Caitlin's life or both their lives.
One day, I get sent a photo of a random tall man in a strange top hat. And the judge decreed, absolutely not. I do apologise for that. Katie came to life in a way that I hadn't really seen before. I hadn't heard her speak so passionately, and I had never seen her so instantly and penetratingly happy, ever.
We're quite surprised when he said he wanted to leave high school and do a teaching degree, because we thought he was going to do something with animals. As it turned out, that was the way in which he was able to transition into the museum and the zoos. And we're very proud of his achievement there.
What I know about Michael is probably too much, to be honest. But one thing he has always had is a passion for animals and nature. He has always had some form of wildlife living in his house. It was this passion that eventually led Michael to Melbourne to work his dream job in a zoo, where of course he met his now wife Katie.
When you are preparing a wedding like this, it can be totally chaotic. And if you choose to actually construct all of the tables and things that people are sitting on, it's even more chaotic. But what I saw, no sign of stress. That is a skill that is really unusual. They both have it. I think they're just so well matched.
I can't promise you the world, because the world is not mine to give. I'll promise you all that I have, all of me for the rest of my life.
Come and be my husband, and I will be your comrade in adventure, your comfort in disappointment, your strength in times of need, and your partner in all things for all the days of my life.
These are the hands of your husband and your best friend, full of love for you. One day, they'll hold our children too.
My life is forever entangled with yours from this day on. You will never walk alone.
And when we grow old, we will not go gentle into that good night.
Our love will burn and rave at the close of day. Together, we will rage against the dying of the light.
On one of their first dates, a drink was served as the smokiest and finest spirit on the market. While sipping this whiskey, Caitlin and Michael truly connected, and this connection would form into love. But recognising the significant role this whiskey they would like to share with us, the people they love.
To Michael and Katie.
Michael and Katie.
I want to remind you, as you remind me, that tomorrow is going to be the next best day of our life, and the next best day, and every day is going to get better. And I can't imagine myself now being anywhere else but with you by my side. I just can't wait to have the rest of my life with you.